Hello my lovelies, how you all doing? I hope you're all keeping well and crafty. Right, I'm coming on. I thought I would come on and show you some ATCs and ATC coins that I've done over the past, let's have a look, couple of months. Some of them are from last year, I think. We'll show you these first. These are the coins. Now these and these are they're all up for swap. If anybody wants to swap, just either leave me a message, a comment on the video, or get in touch with me via email or Instagram or something. I don't know where I'm going today. I've got this on a different camera stand. My camera's a different way round, so I hope this didn't come out upside down. Anyway, yeah, if anybody's interested in swapping anything, just give me a shout. So these ones, these are what I started like forever ago when I first got into, these are all hand cut I believe, when I first had a go at coins, and I thought, nah, can't do them, don't like them, and they've been in the naughty drawer for years. I think I've shown them before actually, but I took them out. I finished them in February, so I took them out and thought, right, get them done, girl, come along. It's been going on for long enough. And I think, yeah, they're images that I've had sent. Oh, I can't see what I'm doing. Images what I've had sent me over the years. So there's that one. I really don't like this phone in this stand, because I can't see my camera see through the lens properly. So there's that one. Teddy Love. I'm going to have neck ache because I'm like looking under the holder. Puppy Love. They've all got black sparkle glitter, what do you call it, embossing powder around the edge. It's that one. Another Teddy Love, a bit of glossy accents. I don't know whether it's picking it up, but some of them have got glossy glossy accents on. Another Teddy Love. It just says cute. Little bunny and a little, that was a button. I've just cut the shank piece off of it. Bloom. Beauty. And another Puppy Love one. So I made those, I finished those in February. Probably started them probably about 6 years ago. Right, we've got some more coins. Now these ones, there's only 4 of these. Yeah, and I should be keeping one, so there'll be 3 of these if anybody's interested. These are all pretty much the same. They say create, and it was when I had a go at doing the crackle effect, but it didn't come out very well. I thought, well, I'm not throwing those away. So, and there's copper embossing powder around the outside, and then this little floral piece is what the lovely Geraldine sent me. They were white, and she sent me a load of them. And then she's also done a video. If I can find it, I will leave the link to Geraldine's video where she was colouring them, you know, because she was saying we've got all this stuff, we need to use it, find another way to do something with it. And she was colouring them with ink tents, not the pencils though, what are they called? Yeah, them things. Intense blocks are they called? I don't know. But so I've got some of those now, so I've had a go at doing that. Some of those left, so that's what they are. And then just the word create. I'd actually got these words cut out from ages ago. I've got 3 boxes on here with all sorts of bits and bobs in. And then the circles was from something else I'd done. Oh, I do hope you can see properly. And that's those, so there's 3 of those. Some more coins. These ones now feel a bit bad because I can't remember. The images are either from the Graphics Fairy or the Digital Collage Club, and I can't remember because again these were started off, or at least last year, if not the beginning of last year, the end of the year before, and then just put on the desk and forgotten about. So I've actually finished these off now. They've all got blue and silver. I can't remember what it's called, but embossing powder. Don't know the name, the actual colour. But then I just took some words from a book to put on. I'll have Mod Podged over it, make it a bit shiny, and then use some of my little favourite bling that's from the range. So there's that one. He didn't speak purposefully. Excuse me. She had been. Don't know where she had been. Or it probably meant she had been. Small enough. They're all spring ones. Appealing sight. He could sleep. Is that it? So there's those. And then some more coins. Again, the circles had actually been cut out for a long time. It was some of my Painty papers that I did several years ago, and then I've just cut them out. Well, got a big sheet of it, an A4 sheet of it, and then I just went all around the edges with black marker, and it looks like I've used some of those rub-ons that I've shown before. And then what's this? Oh, this is black card. Just black card. I've put glossy accents on it, and then again there were some orangey ones of these, and I wanted to put some on. It didn't look right, a half piece, so I just cut it into a quarter and made like a little flower. I think they're really pretty, and I think they've all got Explore on. And the letters, the letters I just went over with fluorescent pens. I think it was the Stabilo neon markers. And then inside, let's have a look. Oops, I just got some of this, which is nearly dried out, so I sort of had to dab it in with a little stick. So there's those, a load of those. They're all pretty much the same. Just I think they're quite pretty. There's those, and then we've got ATCs, normal shape ones. Again, can't remember whether it's Digital Collage Club or Graphics Fairy on these images, the base of these images. And again, these had been cut out for a long time, at least the beginning of last year, I would think. But I've gone around the edge with a black and gold, or is it a chocolatey and gold, I think, embossing powder. Flick some white on. Oh, excuse me, I got an itchy snitch. And I've got some little stickers that we got from the range in one of their packs of stickers. So I stuck one of those on, and I just went round the outside. I can't remember, just with a marker pen, I think it was, and just smudged it with my finger. And then these little buttons that are on some of them, heart-shaped buttons, were what the lovely Sylvia Costello gave me. Thank you, Sylvia. And I think they were just white, and I've coloured them up. Some of them I think have got very poor crackle on them. just put a bit of thread in. I know that I'm home. Some little pieces of washi tape on some of them. It's that one, the squirrel one, under cover of the rain. Oh, these ones, the words are the Tim Holtz, I believe. Are they? Bright Winter, I don't know now whether they are or whether they're out of a book. I can't remember. It's that one. Bright Winter Day. Oh, I think they're out of my books actually, not the Tim Holtz ones. Nothing Beyond. I don't know. I can't make my mind up. Might be a mixture. I don't know. Some of you might recognise the little sayings. I don't know. Longing For. Curious Looking. And Delightful. So that's those ones. Then we've got some like mixed media type ones. We'll show you these ones first. Right, we get these. Oh, what? Oh, my writing is terrible. That is supposed to say bits and pizzas, but it looks like bibs. That's number 3 of 8. But we get these, and they're like plasticky. Pizza leaflets come through. So I thought, oh, I'm not going to do anything. I don't want to cover the back up. So I've decorated the front and just left the back. I have scratched it a bit with a, what do you call it? Piece of sandpaper. It's not bibs, it's bits and pizzas. And that's what I've done. Just put one of the little girls on that Trudy gave me. A load of these little girls. Thank you, Trudy. And then I just wrote my poor pathetic writing. She wants pizza. And it's all covered with just scraps of paper. Excuse me. That were all actually on the kitchen table. I mean, the craft room in the kitchen. And then some punchinella. Put some punchinella on, and looks as though I've stamped it with, I can't remember what that was I used, and then a little bottle top or something. Black and gold. Oh, it was, let's have a look. I don't know. One of these sort of things, but in black. I put around the edge. And then just rub some gold on. So there's several of these. Bits, not bibs. Bits and pizzas. The one. They've all got She Wants Pizza. She wants pizza. I had pizza last night. Very nice it was too. That one. I love using the punchinella. I can't remember. Somebody's bound to ask me what glue I used, and I can't remember. But I try all sorts of glues. When did I make these ones? December. I made these in December last year. So those, and then the last lot is another set of like mixed media ones. Again, these are on mount board. These are called Scrappy Doings. These are on some picture board, mount board. And then I've just there was loads of bits of paper again in a bowl on the table, and I've just stuck them all down. And these are the Tim Holtz words. I forget what the collection of words is called, but yeah, so I just stuck all the paper on, ripped it up, stuck it on, some gold flakes, well, bronzy and gold flakes, and then some bits of washi tape, top and bottom, embossing powder, gold embossing powder around the edge. I made these in February this year. These are all pretty much the same, just different words. You are loved. Let's create. Finders keepers. I think it was actually some bits of painty paper, but I think there was like junk mail as well. All sorts of rubbish. And lucky is a state of mind. So that's what I've been doing. February. When was that? December, February, February, and February. So I have been quite busy. Yes, so if anybody's interested, just give me a shout, let me know which ones, or not exactly which ones, but which, you know, if there's any that you really don't want to swap, that's probably easiest, I don't know. But let me know anyway, and if you don't want to swap, then no problem at all. So thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.